In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact from your Getresponse list. Before we jump into the steps, just a quick note on what we're doing and why it matters. Deleting or removing contacts is a good way to keep your email list clean, stay within your plan limits, and make sure you're only emailing people who are still relevant to your campaigns. Getresponse gives you a couple of options. You can remove someone from a specific list or delete them entirely from your account. I'll walk you through both, and you can decide which makes the most sense for your situation. First, make sure you're logged into your Getresponse account and you're on the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This is where all of your email lists and subscribers are managed. Once you're in the Contacts section, you'll see a list of your existing email lists. Choose the specific list that contains the contact you want to delete. This step is important, especially if the same person is on multiple lists, because your next action will depend on whether you want to remove them just from this list or from your account entirely. After selecting the list, use the search bar to find the contact. You can usually search by email address and sometimes by name if that's stored in your contact data. Type in the details, wait for the results, and when you see the correct contact appear, check the box next to their name. This tells Getresponse that this is the contact you want to act on. With the contact selected, look for the three-dot icon, often labeled as Actions or shown as a small menu. Click on that and you'll see a couple of options. Choose Delete from Account if you want to remove this contact completely so they no longer exist anywhere in your Getresponse account. If you only want to take them off the current list but keep them available in other lists, choose Remove from List instead. Once you've made your choice, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is your last chance to double-check that you've selected the right contact and the right option. When you're sure, click Yes, Delete to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully removed a contact from your Getresponse list using the quickest path.